Imagine this. You're in your golden years, and every step feels like a battle. Sounds dreadful, right? But here's the good news. You can fight back against age-related muscle loss and maintain your independence with something as simple as strength training. The U.S. National Institute on Aging, NIA, is on a mission to spread the word about how resistance exercises can transform your later years. But here's where it gets controversial. Not everyone is on board with the idea that strength training is the ultimate fountain of youth. Let's dive in and explore why the NIA is so passionate about this and how you can start reaping the benefits today. Strength training is the secret weapon for building a healthier, more robust body as you age. According to the NIA, even basic resistance exercises can work wonders. Picture this. You're in the park, using a bench to do some simple squats or lifting light weights at home. These small, consistent efforts can slow down age-related declines in strength and function, helping you stay mobile and independent for longer. And this is the part most people miss. You don't need to be a gym rat or a fitness fanatic to see results. Small, manageable exercises can make a big difference. Why does the NIA put so much emphasis on strength training for older adults? Well, let's talk about sarcopenia, the fancy term for age-related muscle loss. As you get older, maintaining muscle mass becomes crucial for staying independent. Think about it. Walking, climbing stairs, or even getting out of a chair can become challenging if your muscles aren't up to the task. Studies show that around 30% of adults over 70 face mobility issues, which can lead to falls and other health problems. But here's the kicker. Strength training can slow down these declines and help you stay active and independent. Activities like weighted walks, resistance exercises, or body weight movements can be game changers. Now let's talk about how resistance training benefits your body. Unlike aerobic exercises, which focus on cardiovascular health, resistance training targets your muscles. Think weights, resistance bands, or even body weight exercises like push-ups and squats. These exercises stimulate molecular and metabolic processes that improve muscle function, energy use, and overall metabolism. Roger A. Fielding, Ph.D., explains that combining walking with resistance training can be particularly effective in avoiding frailty and maintaining mobility. Plus, group sessions can provide social interaction and motivation, making it easier to stick to your exercise routine. For older adults living with obesity, incorporating resistance exercises into your diet and aerobic routines can be a game changer. Dennis T. Villarreal, MD, found that weightlifting helps build muscle while reducing fat, improving mobility, and even reversing frailty. But here's a thought-provoking question. Why do you think more people don't prioritize strength training as they age? Is it lack of information, motivation, or something else? But what if you can't make it to the gym? Some older adults face barriers to gym access, but that doesn't mean you're out of luck. NIA-supported researchers at Wake Forest University developed the InVest program, which uses weighted vests to simulate resistance training throughout the day. Wearing these vests while following a weight loss plan can help preserve bone density and muscle mass, reducing fall risk. Participants in the InVest program have shown slowed bone loss and improved strength, proving that creative solutions can deliver benefits even outside traditional gym settings. So, how can you make strength training a part of your daily life? Experts recommend starting slow and building a base of muscle to counteract age-related loss. Activities like yoga or Tai Chi can enhance balance and prevent falls. Integrate exercise into your daily life by walking more, taking short movement breaks, or using household tasks as mini workouts. And here's a pro tip. Keep it enjoyable. Choose activities you like. Dancing, gardening, or playing with grandchildren count. Aim for about 150 minutes of moderate exercise weekly, including 1 to 2 sessions of strength training. Even minimal daily activity can make a meaningful difference. As Fielding emphasizes, #any physical activity is better than none. Small changes lead to big improvements. Strength training is not just about muscle. It's about preserving independence, mobility, and quality of life well into later years. So, are you ready to take control of your aging process? Let's hear your thoughts in the comments. Do you think strength training is the key to a healthier, more independent old age? Or is there more to the story? Share your experiences and let's spark a conversation.